What's the meaning of assonance? Assonance. Assonance.
Assonance. Assonance. Assonance is a literary device that involves the repetition of vowel sounds in nearby words, particularly in poetry. It helps to create a musical quality to the writing and adds a lyrical element to the words. This technique can be used to convey emotions and create a certain atmosphere that ties in with the meaning of the words. By repeating similar vowel sounds, assonance can help to reinforce the main idea or theme of the writing, making it more memorable and impactful for the reader.